Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Time related words are like building blocks in any language. They are the key to expressing daily routines, setting plans and making connections. So, here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the time related words in Korean language. If you have not watched the part 1 yet, you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's start with the part 2. First comes the Korean word for sunrise, and that is ilchul, ilchul. Next comes the Korean word for sunset, and that is ilmol, ilmol. Now let's see how to say morning in Korean language. So there are two words for morning. Let's understand what they mean. First one is ojeon. Ojeon. It refers to the specific time period before noon, typically from midnight until noon. Okay, so ojeon refers to the time from 12 in the midnight to 12 at noon, right? That time period is called ojeon. So sometimes you'll see that ojeon can represent morning in Korean language. Okay, and the other word is achim. Achim. It refers to morning in general, from the early morning until around noon. Okay, so achim is used to denote the time from sunrise to noon. Alright, so morning is either ojeon or achim. Okay, now comes the Korean word for noon, and that is cheongo, cheongo. Next comes the Korean word for afternoon, and that is ohu, ohu. Now let's see how to say evening in Korean language, and that is 저녁, 저녁. Next comes the Korean word for night, and that is 밤, 밤. Now let's see how to say midnight in Korean language, and that is 자정, 자정. Next comes the Korean word for AM, and that is 오전, 오전. Now you can see that ojeon, because it means the time period from 12 at midnight to 12 at noon. So this time period is denoted as AM. So for AM, the Korean word is ojeon. Okay, and the last one is the Korean word for PM, and that is ohu, ohu. You can notice that we just saw that the Korean word for afternoon is also ohu. So basically what this means is the time from 12 at noon to 12 in the midnight is ohu, afternoon, right? So today we learned 10 very important time related words in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.